Go.
Hello, Berkey families, and welcome to the wonderful world of science with Mrs. Robbins. And today I've got my trusty sidekicks, Louis, Fergus, and Alfie. Say hello. Say hello. All right, back to me. Thank you. All right, today, guys, we are going to do a fun little experiment. Every child at Burke Ward is doing this experiment today. So if you are at home with a couple of brothers and sisters that are also at Burke Ward with you, then you all get to do this experiment. Okay, let's go through the things that you need first of all. So you need your plastic bottle. It can be any bottle. Rip the cover off around the outside of it. It can be bigger than this, possibly not smaller. This is a good size for a good reaction. We need our vinegar. Vinegar is fairly cheap to buy. I've already measured out my 100 mils. 100 mils, about half a cup, okay? And then, of course, we've got our bicarbonate soda. Used in cooking, have a think about what sort of reaction we might get with that. Now, to measure it out, I've got my tablespoon at the end of my little measuring cup here. If you don't have a tablespoon in your house, you can use a normal teaspoon and about 2, and I'm just going to measure it out into this little container, or you could do it into a normal cup, about 2.5 teaspoons will give you enough bicarb soda. I'm just going to put them out of the way, all the things that I don't need anymore. All right, here is a little bit of a tricky part. You need to get the bicarb soda into this balloon. Not all that easy to do. You might be able to do it like that with the help of an adult, but another good idea is to get your funnel, if you've got one at home, stick the funnel into your balloon, and voila, your bicarb soda is down the, just make sure it's all gone in there. Bicarb soda is at the bottom of your balloon. Now, put that to the side for the moment. You now need to put your vinegar into your bottle. You can use your funnel again to do that. If you don't have a funnel, then maybe an adult might be able to help you to pour that carefully into your bottle. All right, we don't need those anymore. Start to clear your bench, because this is where the fun part starts to happen. You now need, and this is also another very tricky part, is you need to get this balloon over the top of your bottle. So if your fingers are strong enough, you can pull it wide open like that and push it down, or you could get a parent to help you. Now, the really important thing to do for this to work properly is to get that balloon all the way down over the screw part of your bottle. Okay, so it's sitting on there and it's not going to come off. Rightio, this is where you need to start thinking about what's going to happen. First of all, you need to check the temperature of the bottom of the bottle, where the vinegar is. How does it feel? Is it room temperature, outside temperature? Is it cold, or does it feel pretty warm? When I tip the bicarb soda in there, what do you think is going to happen? Because some of you have to tell me about that in your follow-up. Then, what's going to happen with the balloon? When you finally take the balloon off the top of the bottle, what's it going to do? Because as soon as I put the bicarb soda into here, it starts to get very interesting. So you need to remember all these things. So you might like to stop the video now and talk about what's going to happen to the temperature down here. Is it going to change? What's going to happen when the bicarb soda hits the vinegar, yep. And then what's the balloon going to do? And then, if you take the balloon off the bottle, what's it going to do? All right, here we go. It's all going to happen pretty quickly. Make sure you've got a nice clean workspace. Are you ready, dogs? Are you ready? I don't think they care. All right, ready? Here we go. Oh, it's happening, it's happening, it's happening. You can see why we needed to hold that. What's happening to the bottom? Oh, I can feel a change. What's happening? All right, now what's going to happen to this balloon when I take it off? Oh, this, ready? Oh! Thankfully, I've got the Forbidden Garden fence up so the dogs can't get in there. All right, have fun, Berkeys. Look forward to seeing some videos and some photos, even of the facial expressions as that reaction takes place. Have fun. See ya.